Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to unbox Dreo HM524S Smart Humidifier. If you're looking to enhance your indoor air quality and want to maintain a healthy environment for your indoor plants, this might be a perfect addition to your home. This humidifier is designed to maintain optimal humidity levels in your living space with 3 mist settings: low, medium, and high. The high mist setting can reach up to 40 inches in height, ensuring even distribution throughout larger rooms. First, let's check out the packaging and unbox it. On opening the box, you will find links to the apps and also information about add-on cartridges for clean mist and demineralization to reduce dust buildup. It comes with a quick start guide to make setup and first-time use effortless. The quick start guide has all the necessary info and includes a link to register the device for online extended 3 months warranty. There's also some information about troubleshooting and cleaning the device. There is also a detailed user manual in the package which helps you understand the humidifier parts and safety instructions. In the accessories, you will find 2 extra essential oil aroma pads and a cleaning brush. Now let's unbox the main unit. This model is a 6-liter model, which is bigger than its counterpart HM524S Smart Humidifier. It offers up to 60 hours of operation, reducing the need for frequent refills. Now let's look at the design. The design is quite sleek. At the front, there is a touch panel to operate the humidifier and change the humidity levels. Let's first remove the packaging stickers and set up for the first time use. When you lift the water tank, there is a yellow sticker and a sponge which needs to be removed before use. The base has a detachable lever and an atomizer. It is important not to put essential oil and water directly into the base unit. Only put essential oil into the aroma pad at the back. The base unit lever can be detached for ease of cleaning. Now let's have a look at the refill water tank. For that, first remove the stickers. The top cover is easily removable by simply lifting it. There's a water cartridge inside which can also be detached to clean. Let's put it back. At the bottom of the water tank, there's a water silencer and a water valve. It is recommended to use the filter water to avoid scaling in the tank and in the base unit. The water tank can be filled up to the max marking. The water is then transferred from the tank to the base unit. As you can see, there is some water. The top nozzle can also be detached for ease of cleaning, and it is quite convenient to put it back. It's time to use the essential oils to have a good fragrance in the room with the mist. Never put essential oil in the tank directly as recommended by Dreo. Always put essential oil on the aroma pad at the back. Time to turn on the humidifier, so plug it in. And then click on the power button on the touch panel. The top nozzle can be adjusted in 3 directions for the desired flow in the room. The humidifier identifies the room humidity levels in auto mode. The display can be turned off and on, and you can adjust the mist level on manual mode. So the mist can be set to 1, which is not so high. Then you can set it to 2, which is the medium level of the mist in the room, and the last level is the level 3. The highest mist level can be adjusted to quickly achieve your desired humidity in the room. The smart integration lets you control the humidifier with the Dreo app and voice assistants like Alexa and Google Home. Let's connect the humidifier by holding the timer button. After passing the 5 seconds, just ensure that your device is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and click on the Add device on the Dreo app. And then wait for the device to be connected to the app. Once the device is connected, you can adjust the settings via the Dreo app. You can set different modes here on the app. In the auto mode, you can adjust a target humidity percentage for your room. In the manual mode, the mist level can be adjusted to maintain a constant output at the selected level. So you can select 1, 2, and 3. In the sleep mode, the lights and the sounds will be turned off and the target humidity level is maintained. The humidity indicator can be adjusted to have different colors as per the percentage of the humidity in the room. So you can just slide to the left and right and adjust the colors, which are then shown in the humidifier. You can view humidity data for the past 24 hours and up to 30 days. And there is also an option to schedule the humidifier to run at specific times on specific days. So you can easily adjust the timings when the device will be turned on and turned off as per the need. The schedule can be repeated only once on weekdays, on weekend, and customize it. The additional filters can also be bought from the app directly and then shown as enabled in the app. The app interface is quite clean and it also gives you reminders for cleaning the humidifier. And in the settings, you can upgrade the version and also connect the humidifier to the voice control like Alexa and Google Home. That's it. That's the Dreo humidifier unboxing for you, and thanks for watching the video.